Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beacon House Old Children's Society BOSS, the legacy of light. Today we embark on a journey of reflection, inspiration, and enlightenment as we delve into the community initiatives taken by our pride of Beacon House, our alumni. Join us as we explore humanity, celebrate inclusion, and embrace the spirit of Ramzan during the blessed month. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm welcome to one of our esteemed alumni, Miss Anam Hayat. Miss Anam is the founder of a non-profit organization, Umeed, Trust, a Ray of Hope, which was established in 2023 based in Karachi. Her organization is dedicated to improving the quality of education in underprivileged schools, offering essential support to those in need and providing special care to orphans. Ladies and gentlemen, our second guest is another esteemed alumnus, Mr. Huzaifa Ahmed, who co-founded a non-profit organization, RISK. RISK is dedicated to bringing a vision of sustaining human life to reality and establishing a network of social businesses focused on achieving SDG Zero Hunger. Ms. Zoon Hassan, our alumna, is yet another hero of our community with the same goal in focus. She initiated a non-profit, Thali and Effort, in 2008 and has been working to feed the less fortunate of the community by providing them meals so no one sleeps hungry. We are truly honored to have you all with us today in Beacon House BOSS, the legacy of light. What inspired you to start your organization and how it has impacted the community?
रिस्क को हमने शुरू किया था 2015 में और जिसकी इंस्पिरेशन थी मेरी वालदा जो कि पिछले कई सालों से अपने घर लोगों को खाना खिला रही हैं और घर के दरवाजे खोले हुए हैं और हम 3 दोस्तों ने उनसे इंस्पायर्ड होकर रिस्क को शुरू किया, रिस्क का आगाज़ किया। और जब आगाज़ किया तो हमारा बड़ा सिंपल सा मकसद था कि खाने को ज़ाया होने से बचाना है और उस मुहिम का हमने आगाज़ किया। और आज कई सालों बाद रिस्क एक ऐसा इदारा है पाकिस्तान में जो फूड सिक्योरिटी के ऊपर पाकिस्तान भर में काम कर रहा है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
In 2008, we started this organization as a family, and the idea was to collect all the buffet leftovers that were left in the buffet dishes and take them to people who couldn't afford meals. We realized that a lot of restaurants, a lot of hotels at that time did have extra food, and there were also a lot of people in different parts of the cities, even the metropolitan cities, that couldn't afford food. So that's how Thali started. Thali has been working all over Pakistan, from the mountains of Kohistan to the deserts of Tharparkar.
Despite being born into a well-to-do family, I couldn't ignore the prominent disparities that exist in our society, especially regarding access to education for underprivileged children. Witnessing their struggles, I think it just sparked a strong desire within me to make a difference. Umeed Trust was founded not only because I'm an educationist, but also because we kind of recognized that many children are denied access to quality education simply because they're born into poverty. To address this issue, we established our organization with the mission of not only providing these children with educational opportunities, but also supporting their families in various ways.
That's why we always say that Beacon House BOSS is all about building a community together. What a great impact you are bringing to the society. Okay, now coming back to our second question, what is the biggest challenge you have faced and how did you overcome it?
The most challenging part of Thali has been the initial days for us, I believe, when we were in the process of registering, getting a bank account, even trying to convince people that it was an idea worth working towards. But I think with the passage of time, people started believing in us. And right now, I think a lot of people know Thali. People trust us. And I think it's not been difficult now in the previous few months or the previous few years to actually convince people to donate. And it has been a wonderful experience so far from there.
कम्युनिटीज़ में काम करने के हवाले से काफ़ी चैलेंजेस थे कि कम्युनिटीज़ के अंदर आप लोग कैसे अपने फूड बैंकिंग बनाएं, बहुत ज़्यादा मसला जो एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था जैसे फूड वेस्टेज के हवाले से कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर क्योंकि इससे पहले कोई काम नहीं कर रहा था तो ये काम लोगों को समझाना, रेस्टोरेंट्स को और इंडस्ट्री को इसके ऊपर कन्विंस करना और एक्चुअली ये रिसर्च करना कि कहाँ कहाँ खाना ज़ाया होता है ताकि उसको बचाया जा सके और उन लोगों को खिलाया जा सके जिसको इसकी ज़रूरत है. So that was one of the very major concerns and challenge that we had to face in our initial years.
Through our dedicated efforts, we have seen some transformative changes, like by providing teacher training programs and ensuring schools have the necessary resources. We've witnessed a significant increase in school admissions in the schools that we've adopted. More families are now confident in sending their children to school, knowing they'll receive quality education.
Of course, all these challenges what make us strong, and we keep moving. Now, the last question. How has Beacon House inculcated the spirit of volunteering and social activism in you?
I'm a proud Beaconite and I've been a part of the Beacon House Magla campus. When I was there, I was a part of the cricket team, not just a part, I was actually leading the cricket team for the girls branch. And I think that's where all the confidence started coming in. We used to have matches with different schools, and every time we would go out and I was out there talking about the team, talking about the school, I think that gave me a lot of confidence, a lot of trust in myself, and that belief actually helped me establish Thali.
Beacon House school system has played a pivotal role in shaping my values and instilling a spirit of volunteering and social activism within me. As an alumni and current staff member heading one of their middle school branches, I've been deeply immersed in the school's ethos of community engagement and social responsibility. One of the key ways Beacon House fostered the spirit of volunteering in me is through its emphasis on service learning initiatives. From an early age, I was encouraged to participate in various community service projects organized by the school. Whether it was volunteering at local charities, organizing donation drives, or participating in environmental cleanup campaigns. These experiences instilled in me a sense of empathy and a desire to make a positive difference in the lives of others. Moreover, Beacon House provided ample opportunities for students to engage in social activism and advocacy on issues they were passionate about, whether through student-led clubs, debates, or awareness campaigns. The school encouraged us to raise our voices and take action on issues affecting our communities and beyond. This culture of activism empowered me to advocate for causes close to my heart, including underprivileged children's education, which eventually led to the founding of Umeed Trust.
डेफिनेटली बेकन हाउस और इस पूरे जो सफ़र में बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया और बचपन से ही हम लोगों ने जो हमें एक्सपोजर मिला और जो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ के थ्रू बहुत यंग एज के अंदर जो सीखने को मिला उस सारे एक्सपीरियंस ने बहुत हेल्प किया लेटर ऑन इन लाइफ. वहाँ के दोस्तों ने, वहाँ के असातिज़ा ने, जिनके साथ आज भी मैं कनेक्टेड हूँ और हमेशा उनसे हेल्प और गाइडेंस लेता रहता हूँ. उस पूरे सफ़र में ये फ़ैसले करने में, इसको आगाज़ करने में इन सारे असातिज़ा का और स्कूल का बहुत अहम किरदार रहा जिसके लिए मैं बेहद मशहूर हूँ.
अहमद फराज साहब कहते हैं ना, शिकवा ज़ुल्मत शब से तो कहीं बेहतर था अपने हिस्से की कोई शमा जलाते जाते. On this positive note, ladies and gentlemen, we end our Beacon House Boss Legacy of Light. We are so proud of our alumni. May they keep making a difference out there. Ameen.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS, building a community together.